Hey guys, Trey here from AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a closer look at this wicker bill and carbon fiber designed for 2008 to 2023 Dodge Challengers. If you're a Challenger owner looking to add some serious race-inspired styling to your rear end while adding a little downforce at higher speeds, this wicker bill is definitely worth a look. It's perfect for those of you who want to stand out with an aggressive, custom carbon fiber finish. The main feature of this wicker bill is its premium carbon fiber construction. Not only does it add a performance look, but it also provides a functional benefit by increasing rear end downforce and aerodynamics, which could help with stability at higher speeds. Plus, the adjustable design lets you tweak the look and aerodynamic effect perfectly to your liking. When it comes to build quality, this wicker bill is made from lightweight but durable carbon fiber, giving it that nice modern appearance. Carbon fiber is known for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio, making this upgrade both practical and stylish. The gloss finish adds a little extra layer of protection, but it keeps that carbon fiber look and vibe. In terms of pricing, this wicker bill sits at a premium price point, coming in at about $650, which is expected from a true carbon fiber component. For the install, you're going to be looking at a 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter with an hour of your time being needed. This isn't a difficult job, but some drilling is required depending on your Challenger's current spoiler setup, so it's important to take your time and follow the instructions very carefully. Now, let's check out the install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers and see exactly how to put this on your Challenger.
Pretty simple tools. We're going to need a pencil just to mark the holes. A small spatula if you want to remove any badges that you may have. A 3/8, at least this kit comes for a 3/8. We have a smaller drill bit here for the pilot hole. And this is the hardware that comes with the kit. We have the inserts, washers, and the bolts, and T30 Torx. We have the riveter for the inserts, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, I aligned it, I marked the holes. We'll just drill them out right now. But the inserts, it should be a quick finish. I'm using this tool just to, just to center the drill bit. You don't have to use this. I'm just choosing to use this myself. So we're going to do the pilot holes. I'm using a 1/8 drill bit. This is what it should look like. It should be snug. We'll open it up a little bit more, but that's pretty much what it's supposed to look like. first insert in. Okay. Put it on. Where the inserts are in. Now, put it on. I'll put this one on just to hold it on one side. One over here. To hold it in place. And then it still has room, you know, just in case the holes are not centered perfectly. It'll have room for you to adjust it a little bit. So we're going to do the final step. Start with the second piece here.
Well, that's going to wrap things up here for our review and install of this wicker bill and carbon fiber designed for 2008 to 2003 Dodge Challengers. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.